Sandali lang po, sandali lang. Sandali. Mike, i-unmute kita para may kausap ako. Ang hirap na walang kausap.
Okay. Lahat ng na may sasabihin sa chat box na lang.
Oo.
Okay, then we'll read it from there, no? Okay.
Okay. Sige. Okay, so we'll start the
share screen ka na, Paul.
Okay. So I'll click the white circle, tapos iikot yan, and then whoever is kung saan naka-point yung the triangle will be the pick for that thing. So we'll start with the first pick of the first round, first pick of the first round. Okay, so this is not actually important if you have a restricted player. Again, not just to emphasize. Okay, so first pick. First pick, Antipolo. Congratulations, Antipolo. Okay, then we'll remove them from the list na. Remove from the list. Okay.
Correct.
Okay, so second pick. Iloilo.
Parang bingo ito 9, Iloilo.
Remove. Okay, third pick. Oh, Kuya Danny. Pasiguan. Remove. Fourth pick.
Logis.
Iriga.
Logis.
Iriga. Wala si Attorney Robert Yung mga wala yata, yun ang nauuna. Si Danny nandito. Kaya Danny. Okay, Negros. Okay, remove. Pick number 6. Cordova.
Yung wala rin dito.
Baka isipin nila.
Pinagkaisahan natin sila.
Pick number 7. Kuya Ed. Rizal. Pick 7, Rizal. Remove. Okay, remove. Pick number 8. San Juan.
Ulit. San Juan. Okay.
San Juan.
Lakasan mo yung hila, Paul.
Pindot lang pindot.
Okay. Next. Okay, Mindoro, pick number 9. Remove. Pick number 10. Okay, Lapu-Lapu. Remove. Pick number 11. Surigao. Congratulations. Ito, medyo magagandang positions na to
Oo.
Pick number 12.
Halfway na.
Manila. Remove. Oh, engineer. Engineer, Camarines. Okay. Pick number 14. Okay, Olongapo. Olongapo. Dami pa.
Pick 15.
15. Okay, pick 15. Kabuyaw. Okay. Remove. Next. Okay, pick 16, Toledo. Toledo. Oh, 5 na lang. 5 na lang ang natitira. Ah, hindi pa pala. Marami pa pala. 8 pa pala.
Pa. Marami pa.
Okay, Cagayan. Cagayan.
Cagayan.
So, next. Pick number 18.
Yes.
Okay. Zamboanga. Zamboanga, pick 18. Team owners, yung pick position nyo, pwede nyo i-trade yan, ha? Pwede kayo mag-trade ng pick position kung gusto nyo. Pick 19.
Ganda posisyon ni Joe, Nandiyan pa siya.
Okay. General Prias.
Ako nag
Ikaw nag-program?
Palagay ko, ano yan, dahil nabate ang Palawan, baka Palawan na to.
Paul, mock lottery lang ito, di ba? Joke lang.
Okay, Isabela.
Si Franco,
Isabela. Okay.
Isabela. Okay.
Isabela.
Last 4.
Last 4. Aba, yung dalawang bago, Pasig 2 tsaka Cebu.
Oo nga.
Swerte,
Okay, Cebu.
Nako.
Cebu. Oh, last 3 last
Cebu.
3.
Last 3.
Last 3. Okay, 3 na lang. Caloocan.
Kay Arnel.
Magandang position yan, Arnel.
Ganda, oo.
Oh. Okay, so last draw na to,
Oo ba?
Oh, Palawan or Pasig?
Oo nga. Wala na masyado difference dyan. Net, totoo. Sino? Pasig.
Pasig.
Talaga
Swerte,
Oo nga. Congratulations, Jojo.
Okay,
Yeah, one way to look at it.
amazing.
Amazing. Congratulations. Ikaw magpapakain next board meeting.
Virtually.
Virtually.
Padala ko kayong pulboron.